Hi, there are some items on Windows 11 latest taskbar as you can see, but we cannot remove or unpin these from the taskbar. So to remove this, simply go to taskbar and right click. Go to taskbar settings. Under taskbar icons, all the items are listed and activated as you can see. Now switching it off will take the items away or will be removed from the taskbar. And again, when you need this, you can simply switch it on. The icons will be there. Done. By the way, you can get your taskbar items off from the list and can get those back again. I hope you found this video useful and please subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.